Oh, hey there. Didn't see ya. This is Brandon Peterson from 60-Second Podcast, and we're doing our next Tailgate videos. What can you have on baseball game day that's equally as delicious on college football Saturdays? Crabby fries. Let's go see how to make them. Good old Crabby fries. I'm a Philadelphia Phillies fan, which means right now we are a little over halfway of June. I'm already pretty much cashing in on the season and ready for college football. But there's something I like to make for Phillies games that is equally good on college football Saturday. We like to make Crabby fries. I was told that you can be a little loose with the facts on storytelling. So in the words of Macho Man, I will exercise that option. Where did Crabby fries begin? Legend tells us that at a restaurant called Chickies and Pete's a long time ago, possibly the 1970s, the owners of the establishment had a kid, or maybe there was just a young person working there who was like family. I don't know. They had a big crab haul in the summer. Everybody gets all the crabs, everybody eats everything. All of a sudden there's too much seasoning at the end of the haul. That's rare. That's a very rare thing. It's like being out of chips and still having all the dip left. That never happens. Never happens. You're always like, man, we're gonna have to go buy some more dip to go with these chips. So this young person, ingenuity at its finest, American ingenuity at its finest, said, I'm gonna take that seasoning and dump it on some fries. And voila, you have Crabby fries. It was a way for people to enjoy like the kind of crab seasoning, I guess, outside of crab food eating season. Fast forward time, and now you have people at Eagles games, Phillies games, enjoying these crab fries. Come in a big cup, pretty solid, easy to make. So let's learn how to do it. Well, look what the cat dragged in. Look at the Philadelphia fanatic dragged in. Here's what you need for Crabby fries. Fries. Pretty hard, huh? You can have these with hot dogs, with bratwursts. I'm not going to tell you how to make those things. Gentlemen, ladies out there, here is the thing. If you do not know how to grill your bratwurst or hot dog, just get a hold of me in the comments below. Send us an email at our Sing Second Podcast email, and just let me know. I'll come right over. We will take your grill and we will give that to somebody who deserves it. We will give the grill a good home. Hashtag adulting. We got fries here. It could be any kind. These crinkly fries are the rest of my family's favorite, but you could use the non-crinkly kind, the straight line kind of fries. You can use the waffle fries. I really like the waffle fries. That's my favorite. In this house, majority rules, and we go with these. But they are very good. And we have a pizza stone here. Works good for pizza as well. In fact, I would arguably just call this a Crabby fries stone. And you just kind of spread these out. It depends on how much room you have. If you have a fryer, you could use a fryer. If you have an air fryer, you can use an air fryer. Whatever you have, it doesn't matter to you. You know, and then you have to follow the directions on these. I don't know what kind of fries that you people use. These ones from Oregon/Idaho, 425 degrees, preheat the oven so they don't get soggy. Some will have you sprinkle a little oil on there. Some of the websites will tell you that. I'm not doing that. I'm just going with this. All right. And then Old Bay seasoning. Crucial ingredient. If you don't have this, you can't make crab fries. You just might as well throw them away. You might as well start a fire and just throw them all in there and burn them up. Because if you're eating them plain, I don't even think I want to know you. We can't be friends. Unsubscribe if you do that. I'm going to sprinkle this Old Bay seasoning all over the top. Salt and pepper to flavor. A little extra pepper. These fries are pre-seasoned, so there's already salt on there. And you can have too much of a good thing. You don't want to over-salt these things. So I'm going to put a little extra pepper on there, though, because I like the oven is preheating as we speak at that 425 or 450, whatever the directions say on your bag. And once it's there, I'm going to put these right in the oven and then let it go. You have to peek every once in a while. You have to peek. You have to eyeball it. And when you think you're getting kind of close to being done, you can flip them over with a spatula. Then you can add a little more Old Bay seasoning on the other side. We're going to wait for that oven to preheat. We're going to put this in, and then I'll talk to you at the flip over time. So here we are about 10-15 minutes, and you can see it's starting to get a little bit golden. So I'm going to flip these fries and put some more Old Bay seasoning on the reverse side, and then let them finish up. Here they are, complete in the nice Phillies baseball hat, cup type thing. Turned out pretty good. Nice golden brown color. Got a little extra pepper on there. Got some extra Old Bay seasoning. And these would be great, like I said, not just for baseball games, but Saturdays. You're sitting there, maybe you're in Philadelphia, maybe you're watching T for Temple University. Fight, fight, fight for the cherry and the white, for the cherry and the white. Will fight, fight, fight. Eating your Crabby fries. Now you may be thinking, what am I going to dip this in? You have some choices. There are some recipes online for some like beer cheese dip. That stuff's pretty good. The stuff they make at Applebee's, even though it's Applebee's, low-key, pretty solid. The stuff that comes with the pretzels. Give it a try sometime. I highly recommend it. Otherwise, if you don't want that to dip your fries in, there's a couple other options. Sometimes I'll go ranch and I'll pour in maybe just a splash of some buffalo wing sauce. Stir it up in there pretty good. Also, sometimes you can go a little mayo. You can put in a little ketchup, stir it up, go kind of normal fry dipping sauce style. But then, you know me and Tabasco sauce. Put in a couple splashes, maybe 3.5. So that is Crabby fries. Great for college football game day. Give it a try now. Test it out. Perfect your recipe, just like the young Chickies and Pete's prodigy. And get that recipe ready between now and game day. Thank you for watching. Make sure you listen to our Sing Second podcast. Make some Crabby fries first. Sing second. Thanks for watching. Bye.